So hello everyone, today's topic of discussion is how to crack competition IIT JEE and NEET with school, and even if it is possible or not, right? So let us take different scenarios, and so first of all let us discuss why this issue is there, right? Matlab why people are facing problem cracking IIT JEE or NEET with school. So obviously time is the issue, and competitive people need more time to prepare. So they spend a lot of time in school, and after that they get tired, so it becomes a problem. So obviously this is a matter of understanding for both parents and teachers. Both need to understand that yes, this is a problem somewhere. So for those students who are preparing from class 6 or class 9, it is not a very major problem. They can very well manage school with competition, but this is a problem with those who are studying from 11th or from 12th for competitive studies. Okay, so there are many options and different type of people who opt for different options. And so first of all is people go for such schools in which attendance is not that much required. Okay, and they call them dummy schools. So they just pay the fees and they go for tests, and that's it. So they don't have to attend school too much. They go for practicals. So I don't know which schools are doing this, but if you can find some such schools, and then it is a very good thing according to me. Yes, so you save a lot of time. So it is a very good option if you are able to find such schools, but you must go to give tests in school if you find such schools, because it will not let you become lazy. Otherwise people become lazy. Yeah, so if you do not go to school at all, so you become lazy many times. But if you have some exam 1 month, after again 1 month, so you keep yourself on toes, right? You prepare well in coaching and you prepare well for school also. Yeah, so this should be there if you opt for such an option, and this option saves a lot of time. So in 11th and 12th, if you do such a thing, or even in only 12th, you can definitely crack IIT JEE or NEET with very good rank. Okay, so but yeah, obviously you need to find such schools. Okay, and then second option is if you are still going to school. If you are going to school in 11th and 12th, then what you can do? Yeah, so see, that was my case. So I used to go to school, but I used to go to school sometimes. So I used to take a lot of holidays, and I used to go to school, then I used to skip school alternate days. So around every week 2 to 3 days only I used to go to school. Now obviously my attendance was low, so my teacher would have also told me that you are not coming to school, right? And then things would have arose. So yeah, this was a problem with me also. But what helped me was I kept my performance in coaching and my studies very good, because of which I was able to perform in school also. Yeah, so every time in school I used to get second, third or fourth rank. And every time the teacher used to tell me something, I used to tell them back that I am preparing well and I am scoring good in your school also, right? And I will get you result. So don't worry. So that was the point. I used to gain confidence of the teacher. So if you have to go to school, yeah, if there is no option, then this should be there. So you must be in the position of gaining confidence of parents and teachers. So your performance, if your performance in coaching is at par, it won't become a problem in school also, right? So this should be taken care of from your side. And even when I used to go to school in such a scenario, so I used to go to school in practical days. So I used to, because practical was something that was external examiner is linked with that. So I used to go to school on that days, and in English period or whatever period, if I see that I know these things what the teacher is teaching, so I used to sit back in the class and I used to solve my IIT JEE problems, assignments. Yeah, so this is how I used to save my time. So you must keep some target for daily basis, like 50 questions or 100 questions, and you have to achieve them somehow, right? So I used to sit back in the class and I used to solve assignments, and sometimes I got caught also. So what happened? My assignment was taken and I photostated it again. So there was not a big issue. Basically, teacher also understands you somewhere, right? If your performance is good, things help you. Yes. So this is the second case. First case is dummy schooling. If you can find something like this, I don't know which schools are doing, but you can find something like this, it is very good. Second thing is you have to perform well in school. Then the teacher and parents will support you. Yeah. Third thing is drop. Okay, so after 11, 12 you drop and you prepare. So I think these are the major three options which can be opted. Now it is up to you, up to your parents, up to your teachers what you decide. Yeah, but yeah, these are the things. Okay, so but I'm telling you, in dummy schooling what people do, they opt for dummy schooling and they become totally lazy. This is a drawback. So take care of such a school that you go to school for giving the test every month or maybe every 2 months. Yeah, so these are basically the options, and that's it. And in every option you can get a very good rank. In every option you get very good rank. There is totally a very good scope. But yes, so you need time for competition apart from school. So somehow you have to get. So if you are going to school, people are suppose there is a free period, teacher is absent. So people used to enjoy it, and the people who are preparing for competition, they used to achieve their daily targets. This is how you have to manage time. So somehow you have to manage time. Okay, and basically achieving target daily is the priority. If you have the target of say 50 questions per day, achieve that somehow, anyhow you have to achieve that, right? And slowly increase that target to 70 questions per day and 100 questions per day, right? So if I talk about NEET, you have to do 180 questions in 3 hours, right? So per hour, 60 questions. So I think 50 questions, if you have a good speed, you don't take so much time. 50 questions per day, if you have good speed. Yeah. So similarly with IIT JEE mains and advanced, so your target should be achieved in all the 3 cases. The one who constantly achieves the target, daily targets for the whole journey is definitely the winner. Somehow you will get good result. Decent to good result at least you will get if you have done so much practice, right? Because similar type of questions are to be asked in the exam. Nothing very new is going to come. Yes. So these are the 3 options that I want to discuss, and I think I have made the things clear. And basically this is the support of teachers, parents and students, and I definitely urge through this video to parents and teachers also to support a student who is studious and who is studying for competitive exams. Yeah, so they should also support. If they are not supporting, so I would like to urge from this video to them. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you can write in the comments, and that's it. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you so much.